Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ngasigi video sida yam chamba vlog ne boring chu gada chu rodra khangde but adusu mayam dan na share tawning ba ko is ai hojekti adum imphal pai ba hore pai ba kanda just aina thengna ba khara do kitang mayam da share taw ba taw bune ba ko nataba adum shigi video se mayam da sum share taw biyo ba taw droga su na si video se yeng tar ga di dum flight pai ga dori ba mi sing du da dum tonga dori ba mi sing do da su dum hai biyo ba maram di adi awkward situation me ama thengna dana ba ko that's what I feel ado yam haidana haibu bujinate do su adum the lavatory layer hangdoka khoina togodaba do tobirani ado hek loibaga says da flush habaje as the press to ba kaobiganuko ko aduga sigi makon tani ba flush to create aduga says da khut hamninga zu ham yarni nakandasna soap dispenser ne lairize aduga khut sa tikthokninga su tissue laire sida tikthok piro phajana aduga loibaga paklangda langjan biramba su yawe adui mahutta dustbin laibane sida push tharise sida injan biro aduga dum langtho amo yare ko dustbin neba aduga mayam kaurida ba amana washroom changaga thong lock tawba kaobiganu sida please lock door haraga lairise asi red ngalise thong loli neba aduga sida green ngalisna hangdo ineba adu kaobiganu maramdi changaga khotlaga mina hangdorak pachu nungai tedana ko thong lonba kaobiganu ada mayam video marak thatna mayam da Mama Art ki range samatang mayam to introduce taramge adudi Mama Art onion shampoo with onion and plant keratin aduga mana Mama Art onion conditioner with onion and coconut sigi kanaba sing mayam da benefits mayam da share torke ko I guess samje always yam fridgy oi ba yam na smana kasu manam ta do ko after using this product I samyam power ita to ko ay voice over hapake ay ganito man application kamay daw so both products has onion. Their key ingredients is onion. So onion increases blood supply to the hair follicles and which increases hair growth and prevents hair fall. Aduna dana hana sum haina sam sangning adi sam kening ready tilhau tayu ko ga haina bada adu sembagi mahutta already smaina easy to use daily use tawiyaraba like paraben free or ba sinung tigi sinabasu yare samsu phagay targadi si oira sinar semyam ko. It is made up of 18 amino acids. Plant keratin is a highly protective protein that helps maintain the moisture balance of the hair. It gives hair natural smoothness, shine, and strength. Coconut has nourishing amazing properties, penetrates deep into the hair follicles to promote hair growth and overall scalp health. Sweet almond oil nourishes and strengthens the hair and is optimal for treating hair loss. It is an Indian and plastic positive brand. So this is my final results. I never felt like this before. Yeah. So if you want to buy the products are available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Purple, and also their official website Mama Art. And when you check out the products, don't forget to add my coupon code SAPAM 2023 to get 20% off only on their official website or app. And also Mama Art has Plant Goodness initiative. Every time you buy from them, Mama Art will link your order on a website to a tree that they plant. By 2025, Mama Art is aiming to plant 1 million trees as part of this initiative. As you all know that Mama Art is available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, and Purple, but they are also available in offline store near you. Message me or comment down below if you've spot any Mama Art store near you. Aduga, ako'y naga isinga yen ba do kang ising pi ba do adum mo'y nagsmay na hay na ba su tayo ba na paisa kya pige khotke kai na ga do paisa laude isingi paisa laude ba khoi na dum piri ne ba do pok aina ne namda na pisan ba yaru ne ba maram dis yamna sage sector re Imphal Delhi ga ja sage na ko ado gi pisan ba su yaru ba thaw thaw ha ba mong ga ina khangabra ado free ne ado aduga akhoi da sit pocket ke mamang de da su menu card lai bane ba ko da so cha po chaning ba khoting ba lai ba su lo yai ba ko ado yam tangmani leirunu isa isa gi yumdagi adum achapot puraga chabani hena phai mam tangi de ko aduni aduga hojikti flight manungda wifi gi facility leire aduga wifi ya taragasu WhatsApp kumba YouTube kumba sisna yare buko menu card to hangdo o aduga second page ta sigi QR code se scan tawro aduga nina movie eng bayare shopping taw bayare even game sana basu yare adu wifi je kamaina yaduno hai taragadi first ta nangi phone do flight mode thamgado ba aduga dum yarani. Thank you guys for watching. Aduga matungda mayamna semaningba video lai taragasu khangdabasing adum hangbirao amuk semjarake. Bye guys.